Okay, so student, in the previous video we learned about the internet. What is the internet and what is the ISP, internet service provider? BSNL, Airtel, Tata, Jio, Vodafone, these are the some of the example of ISPs that you use in your mobile phone as well as that you use for to connect the internet with your computer. Right, so types of internet connection are three. First is the dial-up, second is the broadband, and third one is the wireless. So let's see one by one. First one is the dial-up connection. Okay, this connection use a telephone line to connect the computer to the internet. Simply, you know what is the telephone line. The टावर्स होते हैं जिसका यू कनेक्टेड होते हैं हमारे कंप्यूटर के साथ, जो हमें प्रोवाइड करते हैं इंटरनेट. इट रिक्वायर्स द डिवाइस दैट कॉल द मॉडेम. मॉडेम इज द वन ऑफ द डिवाइस. विदाउट इट यू कैन नॉट बी कनेक्ट द इंटरनेट विथ योर कंप्यूटर, विथ योर मोबाइल फोन. योर मोबाइल फोन हैज़ अ वायरलेस कनेक्शन, रिमेंबर दैट. Modem converts analog signal to the transmit through the phone line into the digital signal and vice versa. What is the work of modem? If in an exam that will be asked what is the work of modem, then you have to be write down this. Modem converts analog signal transmit through the phone line into the digital signals and vice versa. Means मॉडेम क्या करता है, जो सिग्नल इंटरनेट के थ्रू आता है वो एनालॉग के फॉर्म में होता है. एनालॉग मीन्स इन द वेव फॉर्म. ओके, इट कैन बी टेक द एनालॉग सिग्नल्स एंड कन्वर्ट द एनालॉग सिग्नल इनटू द डिजिटल सिग्नल्स, मीन्स इन द डिजिट 0 and 1. डिजिटल सिग्नल मीन्स इट कैन बी कन्वर्ट द सिग्नल इन 0 and 1 form. It is a one type of the slow connection. You have to remember तीनों के अलग अलग आएंगे. slow speed, high speed and low speed. So you have to be remember which one is the slow connection, and this is the figure of the dial-up connection. Computer, modem, phone line, ISPs means the companies Jio and all, and the internet. First of all, internet आता है, वहाँ से that will be directed connected to the ISP with the phone line, telephone line. Then it will be connected with the phone line. ये आपको रास्ते में आसानी से देखने मिलता है, वो डायरेक्टली होते हैं. And this phone line is connected with the modem. And this modem is connected to computer to provide you the internet. Next connection is the broadband connection. It is the high speed internet connection. Remember that broadband is the high speed internet connection. It is available in the different forms such as DSL, digital subscriber line, broadband cable connection using the fiber optic cables, and the satellite connection. These are the different forms. You have to be remember. Digital subscriber line, second broadband cable connection, third using fiber optic cables, and the fourth satellite connection. These are the four forms in the broadband connection. Just because of its high speed, it allows to playing the online games or watching the online videos that we already do. Sometimes we directly play online games and the online videos on the YouTube. This is the simple figure of the broadband connection. This is our computer. This is the DSL modem. This is the internet modem and the router. Okay, there are two connection, modem and the router. You know what is the router, which provide the connection to the computers. Third and the last one is the wireless connection. It is used the radio frequency bands for the connecting to the internet. Wireless means that is no wire. In the previous two, that will be requirement of the wires. It offers the high speed and can be used for the mobile devices such as tablets and the smartphones that you already used. That is also called the Wi-Fi. It is a broadband connection without using the wires or the cables. It use either द वाईफाई और द ब्लूटूथ टेक्नोलॉजी। आप ब्लूटूथ भी कनेक्ट करके आप अपना डेटा शेयर कर सकते हो, अभी स्मार्टफोन में ये अवेलेबल है ही। इवन यू कैन यूज़ द वाईफाई एंड यू कैन शेयर योर इन्फॉर्मेशन। वाईफाई कैन बी फाउंड इन द होम्स, कैफेज, एयरपोर्ट एंड द अदर पब्लिक स्पॉट्स। अभी आप जहाँ पे भी जाते हो, कैफ़े में जाते हो, घर में भी होता है, एयरपोर्ट, देन द अदर पब्लिक, रेलवे स्टेशन, इवन इन द स्कूल्स। Nowadays in the school that is also compulsory the internet, the Wi-Fi connection, and this is the one type of wireless connection. This is a wireless access point that you use. This is a other different type of devices, sorry, computer, laptop and the mobile phone, as well as you can use the tablet. This is the local network. For example, if you want to use this wireless connection in your home and your home have a 3 devices, means mobile phone hai, laptop also and computer also, then you can use the local network that will be directed connected, and sometimes it will be used with the LAN cable, LAN cable, local area network. In our school that is also connection of the LAN, वो डायरेक्टली एक लेन केबल होता है जिससे पूरी स्कूल के, हमारे कंप्यूटर लैब में भी आप देख सकते हो कि सब में इंटरनेट प्रोवाइड होता ही है। तो वो क्या होता है कि लेन केबल से कनेक्टेड होता है जिसकी वजह से आपको इंटरनेट प्रोवाइड होता है। सो दिस आर द 3 टाइप्स ऑफ कनेक्शन, एंड नेक्स्टली वी लर्न अबाउट दिस इंटरनेट सर्विसेज। नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू एंड दिस सेशन एंड होपफुली you learn, and if you have any doubt then you can ask me and I will solve your problem. Thank you so much.